Hello, welcome to the Cooking Academy. My name is Kumud Gandhi and I'm going to give you a tutorial on chilies. I have here a spectrum of chilies, starting with the capsicum over here and working our way through the range of different chilies. There are over 400 different varieties of chilies. I have some of the more common varieties of chilies. When you're cooking with chili, if you're concerned about heat and you want less heat or more heat, then you really need to look at the density of a chili. So the fatter the flesh, the less hot it's going to be. And over here, the capsicum, you may call that a bell pepper, is actually the mildest form of the chili family. Right over to over here on my spectrum, where I have the habanero chilies. And of course, there are many, many other hotter varieties of chilies, but these are the most common types. When you're cutting a chili, you really want to use the whole chili and literally just take off the cap like this and use all of it. If you're concerned about the heat, then really it's more about the type of chili you choose for your cooking rather than necessarily removing the seeds. Many people remove the seeds of a chili, and I just want to show you exactly where the heat lies in a chili. So I'm going to cut this chili open and I'm going to remove the seeds so that I can unveil here the membrane that contains the heat. So right here is the capsaicin, and that is exactly where the heat comes from. So no amount of you scraping out the seeds is really going to make any difference. And you can see how thin this chili is. And so that's going to give you a great deal of heat because the capsaicin is spread over a very thin surface area. Chilies are very high in vitamin A, B and C, alpha and beta carotene, and they're very good for metabolizing food and raising your digestion. So in other words, eating chilies is very good, generally your well-being. So you want to try and get chilies into your diet, but using the right chili for your cooking is most important. If you're looking for a salad, then you want to be operating over here. If you want to stir fry, then you want to be over here. And then if you're making hot pepper sauces, you want to be over at this end. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you'll continue to cook with chilies and attend one of our classes if you need any further information. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you've enjoyed it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with all of our recipes, hints and tips. You can also visit our website at www.thecookingacademy.co.uk for classes, recipes and so much more.